And it's pretty windy already. Like the storm's not even here yet. This is what's like right now beforehand. Like the waves in the lake are getting pretty big. I can walk around here because it's empty. Look, there's like big waves coming already. Yeah, the waves are getting pretty big already. Not that much though. But look at the lake. Like look at all these waves. Like someone's gonna sing a bunch of white caps on the water. There's some wind now. But it's not that much. And it looks like we have power because the TV is on. Yeah, we're not gonna lose. Definitely not gonna lose power today. I don't see any twisters anywhere, but maybe the focus was from one. That's a possibility. I mean, the big trees are still blowing, and the view from the front, this is crazy. And it's like you see these light clouds here, and then you look over there, and it's just dark. The storm is like south. It's calmed it down a bit.
So that's east.
Well, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, you can see the rain going onto the camera. Oh my god. How hard to see? I mean, oh god. It's pouring. It's pouring. Oh Jesus, flash. There's lightning here too. Oh my god, it's so gusty. Oh my lord. Whoa! Jesus Christ! Oh no, my you probably can't see anything. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's flooding. Whoa. Look. My feet. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a couple inches of rain already. Oh my god. This thing's stuck in water like mad. Oh my god. Even look how much that palm tree is blowing over there. Look at that. It's blowing quite a lot. And there's a lot of wind over there by the lake. Yeah, nice. Yeah, see the wind's blowing. Woo! Yeah, they just found them really moving around. So it doesn't rain. If it was raining, I would go out like if it wasn't raining, but it is raining. See. Oh, that bit fell off.
It fell right in the pool.
Oh, I don't think the camera can see that. Look at that, like a blade came. That blew right up into the pool. There's not that much rain, but it's picked up since the last time I came out. Just in general.
These things are tall.
Yeah.
So,
Well, that one's not moving.
that's the one that
Oh, oh yeah. Yeah, these things are all crazy. So this is like the more windy part of the storm hitting us. Oh my god. Okay.
You can film from here, okay?
I'm fine. I'm not gonna get hurt.
Jackson, if those things fall and hit you in the face, you're in bad shape. That's why I was telling you before. Those fans can come down anytime.
It's like this like big group of water that just like went over and then went up. A little twist is trying to form. I feel like this tornado is something like trying to form. I don't know. I don't know if I feel that's what it is. And the lake is so high. Lake is so high. Oh dear. Oh dear. Woo. Tree's still holding. There it is again. That was swirling. Yeah, I think this twist is trying to form here. Okay, so look up a couple to a few hours ago. The storm is gone. So yeah, I have all the footage from yesterday. Today's the aftermath video. We could start off at the neighbors' houses, I suppose. So first thing you can see, the first thing you can see are some trees down, some small trees down, and then other people on the other side of the lake. Some of the trees are down. Some of them from up here. So one of the things you can see is there are some palm leaves, palm branches on the ground, as well as a tree snapped in half, at contact. And over there you can see the stump is still there, but like part of the tree's completely like broken in half. There's a tree, some more trees down. And over here, one of the street poles actually fell down with the tree. Or the palm leaves down. Yeah, that's like one of the biggest ones that the thing fell. And I don't see much else. My footage. I know that the fan got wrecked in the storm. Well, this morning I saw like the pieces of the blade in here, but I also saw like a whole arm came off. Like this fan, the one that survived, see has 5 blades. That one, I saw like a whole piece came off of it. That's probably like one of the biggest damages for us is this fan, because like the blades ripped off, one survived, and like one whole arm came off. I don't think there's much else. I mean, specific clips that I've chosen for it. And if you look there, I'm not even lying. You can see right there. Oh, focus, damn it. It's not focusing at all. Okay, so you can see there, it says there's no internet. And I'm currently working on something. I think it's the video I was just telling you guys, but see, it says no internet. I'm gonna click here, it says limited. Yeah, no internet. Still kind of weird. Yeah.